Millionaire mindset, 7 beliefs that made me rich. What separates millionaires from everyone else is not luck, it's mindset. Today, I'm diving deep into the 7 beliefs that helped me become a millionaire before 30. Stay to the end. Number 7 could change your life. Belief 1. Money is a tool, not a goal. The first belief that changed my life was understanding that money is a tool, not the goal. Chasing money for money's sake leads nowhere. But when I saw money as a tool, everything shifted. I started using money to buy assets, real estate, stocks, and businesses that work for me 24/7. Think of money like a seed. You can spend it or plant it. When you plant it in the right place, it grows into something that feeds you for life. Most people trade time for money, but wealthy people trade money for time and freedom. Belief 2. Failure is part of the process. Failure isn't a sign to stop, it's part of your success. My biggest lessons came from my biggest losses. I've lost money on bad deals and made mistakes in business, but here's the truth. Millionaires aren't people who never fail. They're people who learn fast and keep going. When I lost money on my first property flip, I could have quit. But instead, I reviewed every decision I made, adjusted my strategy, and came back stronger. You can't win without losing first. Belief 3. Time is more valuable than money. Time is your most valuable resource. You can always make more money, but you can't make more time. I used to waste time chasing small wins, but I learned to focus on activities with long-term payoffs. I automated my finances, built systems in my businesses, and prioritized passive income streams. Every minute you waste today is time you'll never get back. Wealthy people don't just manage money, they manage time. Belief 4. Your network is your net worth. Your network is your net worth. I didn't build wealth alone. I surrounded myself with successful people who challenged me to level up. Mentors saved me from expensive mistakes, and partnerships created opportunities I never imagined. Remember, you become like the people you spend time with. So, if you want to grow, you need to be in rooms where people are already doing what you want to do. Find masterminds, attend conferences, and build genuine relationships. Belief 5. Learn before you earn. Learn before you earn. Before I made my first million, I spent hours reading books, listening to podcasts, and studying successful people. Success leaves clues, and I followed them. Every wealthy person I know is a lifelong learner. Knowledge is an investment with the highest returns. Whether it's understanding real estate contracts or learning how the stock market works, get educated before you invest. Belief 6. Take calculated risks. Wealth requires risk, but not recklessness. I didn't get rich by playing it safe, but I also didn't gamble blindly. Every investment I made, from real estate to stocks, was backed by research and a plan. I learned to measure risk, calculate potential returns, and prepare for setbacks. The difference between a millionaire and a gambler is strategy. Fear kills more dreams than failure ever will, so take the shot, but take it smart. Belief 7. Multiple streams of income are key. Finally, multiple streams of income. Most millionaires don't rely on one paycheck. I built my wealth through real estate, stocks, and my businesses. When one income stream slows, the others keep me afloat. Multiple streams don't just build wealth, they protect it. Start with one stream, master it, then add another. That's how you create lasting financial freedom. There you have it, the 7 beliefs that made me a millionaire before 30. Which one resonated with you the most? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more millionaire strategies from Millionaire Headquarters Hub.